Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English by Learning English podcast. I'm Adam, and with me is the always smiling, always helpful Sarah.
Thanks, Adam. Hi, everyone. It's great to have you back. If you've been following our travel series, we've already learned how to speak English at the airport and how to check into a hotel.
That's right. And now it's time for another real-world situation, talking to a taxi driver. Whether you're in New York, London, or Tokyo, you'll probably take a taxi at some point, and knowing the right phrases can make your ride smooth and friendly.
Exactly. We'll teach you how to call a taxi, how to tell the driver your destination, how to ask for directions, and even how to handle small problems, all in easy, natural English.
And of course, we'll have our dialogue, our vocabulary section, and a quick recap at the end. So buckle up. Let's go for a ride.
Okay, imagine you've just left your hotel. You need to go somewhere, maybe a museum, a restaurant, or the airport. The first step is getting a taxi.
Yes, you can say something simple like, "Excuse me, could you call me a taxi, please?" if you ask someone at the hotel or restaurant. "Is there a taxi stand nearby? I need a taxi to the airport."
And when a taxi stops for you, you can greet the driver politely.
Right. You can say, "Good morning. Hi, are you free? Can you take me to Central Park, please?"
That's a great start. Always polite and clear.
After you get in the taxi, the driver will usually ask, "Where to? Where are you going?"
You can answer simply, "To the airport, please. I'm going to the Grand Hotel. Could you take me to Oxford Street, please?"
That's a great start. Always polite and clear. Sometimes you want to know how long the ride will take or how much it will cost. Here are some easy ways to ask. How long will it take to get there? How much does it cost? Is it far from here?
And the driver might say, about 20 minutes. It should be around $15, not too far.
Let's try a small example. How long will it take to get to the airport?
Around 25 minutes, depending on traffic.
Great, thank you.
See how short and natural that is?
During the ride, you might want to chat with the driver or ask questions. Some people enjoy small talk, friendly, short conversations.
Yes, you could say, "How's your day going? Is it always this busy in the morning? What's the weather like today?"
And if you don't feel like talking, that's okay too. You can just say, "I'm a bit tired, so I'll rest for a while."
That's polite and friendly.
Sometimes the driver might say something you don't understand. Don't panic. Just ask politely.
Yes, you can say, "Sorry, could you repeat that, please? I didn't understand. Can you say it again? Can you please speak slowly?"
These sentences are lifesavers for English learners.
Yes. When you reach your destination, the driver will usually tell you the price.
Right. You can say, "How much is it, please? Can I pay by card? Here's $10. Keep the change."
And don't forget to say, "Thank you." You can say, "Thank you very much for the ride. Have a nice day."
Politeness always makes a good impression.
Now, let's listen to a short, friendly conversation between a passenger and a taxi driver.
"Hi there. Are you free?"
Yes, where would you like to go?
"To the City Center Hotel, please."
Sure thing. It's about 15 minutes from here.
"Great, thank you. How much will it cost?"
Around $12, depending on the traffic.
"That's fine. Oh, can I pay by card?"
Yes, no problem.
"Perfect. By the way, is it always this busy in the morning?"
Yes, rush hour traffic never ends.
"I can see that."
Here we are, City Center Hotel.
"Great. Thanks so much. Here's $15. Keep the change."
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
And that's how easy it is.
Let's go over the key words and phrases you learned today.
Taxi, or cab. A car you pay to take you somewhere. Taxi stand, a place where taxis wait for passengers. Destination, the place you want to go. Fare, the cost of the taxi ride. Traffic, cars and buses on the road. Sometimes it makes your trip slower.
Rush hour, the busy time of day when many people travel. Keep the change. A polite way to tell the driver they can keep the extra money as a tip. Card or cash. Ways to pay for the ride. Address. The exact location of your destination. Driver or passenger. The person driving and the person riding.
Let's quickly review today's lesson.
We learned how to ask for a taxi, how to tell the driver where you're going, how to ask for the price or time, and how to end the ride politely.
Yes, the key phrases are short, simple, and polite. For example, can you take me to? How long will it take? How much is it? Thank you. Keep the change.
Try practicing these with a friend. One person can be the driver and the other the passenger. You'll be surprised how quickly you improve.
And remember, confidence grows when you speak, even if you make mistakes.
Well, that's it for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed this taxi ride with us.
Yes, and now you know exactly how to talk to a taxi driver in English. No stress, no confusion, just easy communication.
Next time, we'll help you with something very important. English for job interviews.
That one's super useful, even if you're not looking for a job right now. You'll learn how to introduce yourself and answer questions confidently.
Make sure to follow our podcast so you don't miss it. And if you enjoyed this episode, please share it with a friend who's learning English too.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning.
This is Easy English by Learning English Podcast.
Helping you learn English one conversation at a time.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also share with yours, friends.